You learned already last class about Gandhi ji. Yes? Yes. But once again, I am going to sing this song, this poem. All of you listen carefully after. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. तो हम उसके बाद एक एक करके बुलाएंगे तो आपको भी ये गाना पड़ेगा. यस. 1 minute children. एक बार फिर से गाते हैं इस गाने को. सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार. सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार. सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार. क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा, क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. खद्दर के तारों में तूने, खद्दर के तारों में तूने देखा भारत का उद्धार. खद्दर के तारों में तूने देखा भारत का उद्धार. चरखा तेरा चक्र सुदर्शन, चरखा तेरा चक्र सुदर्शन, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. चिल्ड्रन प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब द क्लास. त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, शुचिता के साधक साकार. त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, शुचिता के साधक साकार. नियम नीति के नवल निकेतन, नियम नीति के नवल निकेतन, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. चिल्ड्रन, you want to present here, Girish? Don't share anything. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
It is not audible.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Now is it
This
audible?
is not audible.
Ma'am. Audible, ma'am. Audible. Ma'am.
Yes. सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक. प्रबल प्रचारक means he was a public speaker about the truth. He speaks only about the truth. इसमें आवाज आ रही है, सुनते. Yes, he speaks only about truth. And अटल अहिंसा. अटल अहिंसा के अवतार. Non-violence. अहिंसा, non-violence. What he says, what Gandhiji says, to speak truth. सत्य. सत्य ही बोलना चाहिए.
Hello, ma'am. Say from first.
I am saying from the first. Did you see the book first? This is the first stanza which I am repeating. Yes, following Satya ka dharma, that is truth. Satya means truth. Satya means what? Truth. True religion. We have to follow only the truth religion. Dharma means religion. Religion. Okay. सत्य का religion follow करना है, true religion follow करना है. He was a प्रबल प्रचारक. प्रचारक means the public speaker. Public speaker. He speaks only truth and he asks public people to also speak only the truth. Atal ahimsa. Ahimsa means what? Non-violence. Ahimsa means non-violence. You have to follow non-violence. Ke avatar. Avatar means the statue, the role model. Sorry, not statue, role model. He is a role model for following non-violence. To follow non-violence. क्षमा दया की. क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा. क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा. क्षमा means what? Forgiveness. Forgiveness. Yes, he has a quality of forgiving people. He has a quality of forgiving people, and daya means kindness. He has so much of kindness towards people that he will forgive people very easily. Yes. Pavan Pratima. Pavan means pure. He is a pure statue. Pratima. Pratima means statue. See children, I am writing down the meaning. Just copy down in your textbook with the pencil. क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. तुझे नमन. नमन means what? तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. Naman means what is naman? Praising. Praising him. We are praising him again and again. Barambar. Repeatedly. Repeatedly we are praising him. Yes? Yes, I am not closing it. Just copy down the meaning in your textbook. Okay, सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार, क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. You sing like a song now. सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार, क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा, क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. Yes. Anybody is ready to read? Anybody ready to read this? So then if you want to read this stanza, you give your name chat box.
Don't unmute anyone.
Everybody ready now? Guru Prasad, yes.
सत्यधर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक अटल अहिंसा के अवतार श्रमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा टू टुडे तुझे नमन हो बारंबार.
Very good. Now move on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now move to the
write
next
all the
chapter.
meanings, ma'am. I am writing the meanings.
I will send you the picture, okay? I have taken screenshot. I will send you the picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next. खद्दर के तारों में तूने खद्दर खद्दर मीन्स खद्दर के तारों में तूने खद्दर मीन्स व्हाट खादी I said it is khadi खद्दर means a khadi fabric तारों में तूने तारों means not star it is like wires or threads of the cloth खद्दर के तारों में तूने देखा देखा भारत का उद्धार व्हाट इज देखना देखना मीन्स व्हाट देखा देखा मीन्स टू सी देखना मीन्स व्हाट yes saw he saw bharat bharat means what is bharat tell me the answers in the chat box what is bharat india
Yeah, ma'am.
Udhar means progress. He saw the progress of India through the threads and wires of khadi cloth. That means by wearing, he's trying to say that if you are so simple, if you follow a simple life with by following the truth, by following non-violence, so you will see the progress of our country. So Gandhiji is saying that we have to follow a very simple life like the fabric of khadi. Khadi cloth, when you wear it, it will be very comfortable, it will be very soft, but it will be simple at the same time. So he also says us to follow a very simple life. Okay? चरखा तेरा चक्र सुदर्शन चरखा what is charkha what is charkha spinning wheel yes spinning wheel चरखा तेरा चक्र सुदर्शन what is chakra sudarshan they are comparing गांधी जी spinning wheel चरखे को किसके साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं they are comparing it with chakra sudarshan of Lord Vishnu will have chakra sudarshan in his hand as shown in the third picture the blue color one in the same way Gandhi ji is also having a spinning wheel and he spins it and he sees the India his country progressing yes खद्दर के तारों में तूने देखा भारत का उद्धार चरखा तेरा चक्र सुदर्शन तुझे नमन हो बारंबार understood any questions in this any doubts children yes
One more time.
one more time खद्दर means khadi cloth Okay, खद्दर के तारों में, तारों means the threads, the wires in the खद्दर cloth. He is seeing the country progressing through the khadi cloth, through the fabric of khadi cloth. देखा भारत का उद्धार. He is seeing the progress of the country through the khadi cloth. That means he is comparing our country's progress, that is the country people, to be very simple with the khadi dresses, with the khadi clothes, and live a life of honesty, speaking only truth, following only truth religion, and following non-violence. Okay. Charkha Tera Chakra Sudarshan. Charkha means the spinning wheel. Tera Chakra Sudarshan. Chakra Sudarshan means the one which is in Lord Vishnu's hand. It is the same spinning wheel. It is they are comparing. The poet is comparing the spinning wheel of Lord Vishnu with the spinning wheel of Gandhi ji. लॉर्ड विष्णु के चक्र के साथ गांधी जी के चरखा को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. दे आर कंपेयरिंग इट बोथ. दैट इज लॉर्ड विष्णु, he gives progress, he gives blessings to us. Yes, in the same way Gandhi ji has also done so many things for India. That's why we are living freely and peacefully now. Okay, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो, we will praise you again and again repeatedly. Clear? We'll move to the next stanza now. Yes. त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के. त्याग तपस्या, त्याग means what? Sacrifices. त्याग तपस्या, he has done so many sacrifices. Tapasya means the waiting moment, waiting for a long time, that is like meditating. Meditation is also called as tapasya. Tyag tapasya tanmayata ke. Tanmayata means, do you know what is tanmayata? He will never change his way of sacrificing for the country. Permanence. Tanmayata means permanence. Permanence means what? Being permanently in the same, with the same quality. He never changes. त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, शुचिता के साधक साकार. शुचिता means clear. Shuchita means what? Clear. He has a clear mind and he thinks about the future of the freedom of our country. So he wants to make his dreams come true. Sakar means sadhak sakar means to make his dream come true. Yes, to make that happen, to make what he made happen. He made our country to get freedom. Yes, Shuchita ke sadhak sakar, to make dreams come true. Okay. नियम नीति के नवल निकेतन. नियम नीति के नवल निकेतन. नियम means what? नियम means rules. नीति means policies or regulations, rules and regulations. के नवल निकेतन, new. नवल means new. Niketan means house. Naval Niketan. He made a new house of rules, full of rules. Which is his house? His house is his country. He made our country to follow a new rules and regulations. So what is the first rule? What is the first rule of Gandhiji? What is the first rule of Gandhiji? To follow the truth. Okay, Niyam Niti ke Naval Niketan. To follow all the rules and regulations in his new house. in his new house. Which is his house? Which is Gandhiji's house? Tell me in the chat box.
Screen is not visible, ma'am.
The screen is visible only, dear. Which is Bharat. Very good, Sharan. Bharat is Gandhiji's house. Children, don't give annotation request. तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. So again and again we praise you repeatedly. We are praising you repeatedly because of your sacrifices, because of your uh, clear mindedness, because of your truth, because of your non-violence. We praise you repeatedly. Okay, clear, children? This stanza. I will send this screenshots also, so that you can, if you are unable to write the meanings, you can write it later in your text. त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, शुचिता के साधक साकार, नियम नीति के नवल निकेतन,
Reading next screen, ma'am.
हो बारंबार. ये सारा दिया.
You're reading next screen, ma'am.
No, the same screen only I'm reading.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, once again I'll read the same screen only I'm reading. त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, शुचिता के साधक साकार, नियम नीति के नवल निकेतन, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. Okay, clear, children? Any doubts in this? Tell me if you have any doubts, any questions.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is राष्ट्र धर्म के नव निर्माता. राष्ट्र धर्म के नव निर्माता. Naval Niketan, we have seen Naval. Naval means new. Navam is also new. Rashtra Dharma means nationalism. Nationalism. It is a dharma. It is a religion. What is the religion? Nationalism. Ke Nava Nirmata. New. Nirmata means the one who builds. The one who builds is called as Nirmata. The one who makes it. The one who builds it. किसे बिल्ड करता है? राष्ट्र धर्म को. He is building nationalism in our country. He is building the people to follow the same religion, which is nationalism. People should love your country, not your religion. You should treat everybody equal. You should be in unity. You should not see difference in religions. Okay. हे हरिजन के हितु अपार. हे हरिजन के हितु अपार. हरिजन means he is like he is from a Hindu group. Okay, he is a person from Hindu group. Person from Hindu group. हे हरिजन के हितु. हितु means help. Hitu means what? Help. Apar. Apar means uncountedly. Uncountedly. We cannot count. We cannot count. We can see whatever helps he has done. He is from a Hindu group, but what religion he follows? He follows nationalism. He follows only nationalism. He treats all the people, all the religion people equally, and he helps them uncountedly. Uncountedly means he never thinks about the helps whichever he does to people. You should not think, or you should not say it back. This help I have done for you, this, that, so many helps I have done for you. Like this you should not say. Yes, you should not show that you have done so many helps for the other person. So he is like that. He follows only nationalism. Though he is from a Hindu group, he helps everybody and he never counts on it. He never counts the help he does to other people. Okay. राजनीति के नायक नेता, राजनीति के नायक नेता, राजनीति, राजनीति मीन्स पॉलिटिक्स, पॉलिटिक्स के नायक नेता, एक्टिंग neta, acting leader. He is like acting leader of all the politicians. He is like, he was not in politics, he was not any minister, prior president, prime minister and all, but he was like a acting leader for everybody in our country. He was a national leader. That's why he's called as national leader of our country. But he was not in politics. He was like acting leader. Nayak Neta. Nayak means acting leader. Neta means leader. Okay. तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. राष्ट्र धर्म के नवनिर्माता, हे हरिजन के हितु अपार, राजनीति के नायक नेता, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. राजनीति के नायक नेता, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. Okay, children, any doubts in this stanza? See, again and again we are just reading about the qualities of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay. Any doubts? Ma'am, chat box. So what are the things Gandhiji tells us to follow? He tells us to follow Satya Dharma, Ahimsa, and he is called as a pratima, a statue. He is called as a pratima, a statue of Bharat. He is like a role model for everybody, and he is also compared with Lord Vishnu, Sudarshan Chakra. He is like Lord Vishnu. He is like God for everybody in India. Like he is having a Sudarshan Chakra in his hand, and he is like he has set a new rules and regulations for our country that is very simple to follow. Speak truth and follow non-violence. Mitravinda, which stanza do you want me to repeat?
This stanza, ma'am.
Okay. Rashtra Dharma ke Navanirmata. Rashtra Dharma means nationalism. Ke Navanirmata. Mitravinda, can you read the first line? राष्ट्र धर्म के नवनिर्माता,
राष्ट्रधर्म के
धर्म निर्माता.
निर्माता.
राष्ट्र धर्म means what? What is the meaning I have written?
Nationalism.
Nationalism. Nava means
New.
Nirmata means
The one who builds.
okay. Now tell me the meaning for the first line. What is Gandhiji building here?
What, ma'am?
What is Gandhiji trying to build here? He is called as Nirmata. Now what is he trying to build? He is trying to build nationalism, Rashtra Dharma. What is he building?
Nationalism.
Yes, Rashtra Dharma. हे हरिजन के हितु आपार. Repeat.
What, ma'am?
Repeat after me. हे हरिजन के हितु आपार.
हे हरिजन के हितु आपार.
Now, what is the meaning of that?
Person from Hindu group.
What is he doing? A person from Hindu group.
building nationalism.
Building nationalism. And what is that Hitu Apar?
Help
Yes.
uncountedly.
Now what is he doing? A person from Hindu group, Harijan, क्या कर रहा है वो?
Helping uncountedly.
Yes. मदद करते हैं, help करते थे. He was helping people. Next line. राजनीति के नायक नेता.
राजनीति के नायक नेता.
Okay, now tell me the meaning of that line.
Politics acting leader.
So what was he?
What is சொன்னாங்களா?
What was he? He was like a acting leader in politics, for politics. Okay? For the rules which he has set for the country, he was like an acting leader. He was the actual leader for our country. तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. Okay, Mitra, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now, okay, children, I know these words are little hard for you, but if you know the meaning and if you practice again and again, you will know how to read it. Okay. Don't worry, the exercise part will be very easy and you can easily read it. भ्रातृ भाव के शुभ संचारक. भ्रातृ भाव के शुभ संचारक. भ्रातृ भाव means what? भ्रातृ भाव means fraternity. Fraternity. Fraternity means, what is fraternity? Do you know what is fraternity? Feeling of friendship. Yes, feeling of friendship. What you have to do? You have to have the feeling of friendship within your group. If you are a group now, here Gandhiji has mentioned the group of people in India. तो भारत के लोगों को कैसे रहना चाहिए? भ्रातृ भाव के साथ रहना चाहिए. We have to be the feeling of friendship. We are in the same group and we have to be kind with each other. शुभ संचारक. शुभ means good. शुभ means good. संचारक. What is संचारक? Communicator. He communicates. What he communicates? He communicates to people to be with the feeling of friendship, to be with the feeling of same group, same people. We are not different. We are of same group. We belong to same group. Feeling of friendship. Yes, to have that emotion of unity. के गुण गरिमा. के गुण गरिमा के आगार. के गुण गरिमा के आगार. गुण गरिमा means गुण means quality. गुण गरिमा together is called as quality. के आगार. आगार means depot. Place of staying. Staying place. Staying place. गुण गरिमा के आगार. के गुण गरिमा के आगार. So he has so many good qualities. He has so many good things in him, and he is like he will not change. He is like a he wants to make bring the qualities in our country, in our place also. In this place only we stay, right? So in our staying place also, he wants these qualities to be followed by all the people of our country. कर्मवीर गीता के गायक. कर्मवीर गीता के गायक. कर्मवीर means Gandhiji is called as Karmveer Gandhi. What is Karmveer? The one who performs performs noble duties. Noble duties means what? All the good duties, all the good works. Does all the good works. Geeta ki Gayak. He does all the good works. And Gayak means singer. Yes, Geeta ke Gayak. Gayak means singers. So Gita means what? Bhagavad Gita. Okay, Bhagavad Gita, you know, right? The holy book of Hindus. The holy book of Hindus. And what is given there? What is given there? They have given all the good works to do. They have given so many stories, though, so many slokas which tells you to follow good works. Yes, you to do good duties towards others. Karma Veer Gita Ke Gayak. God stories. So many God stories are there that should be followed for a good life. Okay, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. Gandhiji was following Bhagavad Gita and he sings Bhagavad Gita to tell everyone that we should follow this Bhagavad Gita and we should follow non-violence, we should have good qualities and we should follow Bhratra Bhav. Bhratra Bhav means to follow the feeling of friendship, to follow the feeling of being in the same group, feeling of unity. Okay, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार. So we are praising Gandhi ji again and again. Okay, children, any doubts in this? Tell me in the chat
Third
box.
line. Ma'am, read third line.
Third line, Karmaveer Geeta ke Gayak. Karmaveer means, I said, the one who performs noble works, noble duties, good works. He does all the good work which is given in the Bhagavad Gita book and he sings it to the public people also. He sings it to the other people also. He tells them to follow this type of life so that it will be peaceful and we will be living happily. Okay. Any other doubts, children? Try to read these sentences and write down all the meanings. I will send you the screenshots of all the meanings now after the class and try to practice the first recitation you learn from your textbook.
Ma'am, I wrote it.
Very good. Okay. After reading this meaning, you will understand the whole poem. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
I will follow the children to read this. Once again, let's sing it from the first. Yes. Yes.
भ्रातृभाव के शुभ संचारक, भ्रातृभाव के शुभ संचारक, हे गुण गरिमा के आगार, हे गुण गरिमा के आगार, कर्मवीर गीता के गायक, कर्मवीर गीता के गायक, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार। भ्रातृभाव के शुभ संचारक, भ्रातृभाव के शुभ संचारक, हे गुण गरिमा के आगार, हे गुण गरिमा के आगार, कर्मवीर गीता के गायक, कर्मवीर गीता के गायक, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार।
Children, you have any doubt in this stanza? Yes. Try to
No,
sing.
ma'am.
Try to sing. Yes, Pranavi, very good. You can follow the chat box. You try to sing like this, then you can remember. You can learn very easily and very early. Yes. सत्य धर्म के प्रबल प्रचारक, अटल अहिंसा के अवतार, क्षमा दया की पावन प्रतिमा, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार। खद्दर के तारों में तूने देखा भारत का उद्धार, चरखा तेरा चक्र सुदर्शन, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार। त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, शुचिता के साधक साकार, त्याग तपस्या तन्मयता के, शुचिता के साधक साकार, नियम नीति के नवल निकेतन, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार। राष्ट्र धर्म के नव निर्माता, हे हरिजन के हितु अपार, राजनीति के नायक नेता, तुझे नमन हो बारंबार। Okay, children, thank you very much. Next class we will continue this poem. Have a nice day. Jai Gurudev. Thank you, children.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Jai Gurudev.